Welcome to Inoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a winter special traditional delight, Vapa Puli Pitha. Soft rice dough filled with jaggery and coconut, gently steamed to perfection. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup milk and let it boil. Add 1 cup rice flour and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. Pour the mixture in a plate and make slightly cool. Do not overcook the rice flour mixture before kneading. Now place a pan over heat. Add 1 cup grated jaggery, 1 cup grated coconut, and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Keep stirring. And cook until the mixture thickens. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Knead the rice flour mixture into a soft dough. Take a portion of the rice dough and flatten it gently. Add the jaggery coconut mixture in the center and cover well. Always cool the filling before stuffing the pitha. Seal the edges properly to avoid leakage. Boil some water and place the pitha on a plate. Rice flour is easy to digest and naturally gluten-free. Jaggery provides warmth and essential minerals in winter. Coconut adds healthy fats and natural energy. Steamed snacks are lighter than fried foods. Steam for 10 to 12 minutes. Steam on medium heat for even cooking. Remove from the heat and coat with desiccated coconut. Vapa Puli Pitha is a beloved winter delicacy in Bengal. Steaming keeps the pitha soft without using oil. Jaggery and coconut filling has been used for generations. Pitha making is a traditional winter family ritual. Your winter special Vapa Puli Pitha is soft, aromatic and comforting. Enjoy it warm with family and loved ones. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Inoven Cake and Cookies for more traditional winter recipes.